Hi guys, just thought I ought to do a version 2 update on this bracket for the Clever Dog camera. So this is the second one I printed. Still printed in white PLA, but I've sprayed it matte black. The aperture for the lens is conical, in other words it opens out going that way, so the lens doesn't see it at all. I will do a little video clip from it in a second, but I forgot to do an update when I did the original video. So the original video shows the white one with the slightly obscured lens. So, oh, and this one's got the cutout at the bottom. So the little bracket under there sits down out the way. Where are we? Yeah. So this is all down at the right level now. So I'll show you a little video clip of that, but that's the Mark II version. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.